Today we're going to be looking at a single stick or a single sword striking pattern which is rather rare. It's called the hourglass striking pattern. Hi, my name is Aditya Roy and I'm a two-horn within the art of Pikirita Shakali. And today we're talking about one of the very common problems that people have is that when they're doing these high attacks, they feel rather natural, but as soon as we go these reverse diagonals, people tend to get kind of lost as to the combinations that they can make with these reverse diagonals. That's where this hourglass pattern comes in. So on the surface, that hourglass is quite simple. It's two diagonal lines and then two horizontal lines above and below. So it's an X, and then on top is horizontal high and bottom is horizontal low. But we're going to specifically look at it from the context of these reverse diagonal lines, right? So we're going to start with this angle 3. I'm going to go angle 3, this reverse diagonal, and then immediately a high backhand slash, right? So forehand, backhand, reverse diagonal, horizontal. And I can play this in many different ways. I can cut the hand, cut the head with power. I can cut the hand, cut the head, cut the body right after that as well. So there's so many things that I can do. I'm going to go reverse diagonal, horizontal, and then from here itself, instead of coming back to my shoulder, from here itself, while the weapon is still facing in front, I'm going to cut down with that diagonal and then end with a horizontal across the belly. So it's reverse diagonal, horizontal, diagonal, horizontal. What I don't want to do is bring this back because it's going to change the timing and give my opponent an opportunity to hit me. So from here itself, I'm cutting down. From here itself, I'm cutting across, which is going to require you to really have your body mechanics in place. Now let's do the opposite of this. Let's come up with this angle 4 reverse diagonal. We're going to come up with this reverse diagonal angle 4 and immediately come across with this horizontal angle 1 or horizontal high attack to the neck or the head, right? So I'm going 4, 1, and again, instead of coming back to my shoulder, while the weapon is still facing in front of me, I'm going to cut down with that angle 2, cut across that belly, and I'm back where I began. So 4 horizontal, 2 horizontal, 4 horizontal, 2 horizontal. Now this is a big departure from oftentimes the normal ways that we do diagonal line, reverse diagonal line striking, sorry. So normally you'll go 3 and 2. This is a very popular combination, right? And 4 and 1. Whether the 4 is a slash or an umbrella, this is a very popular combination. This is a very popular combination. But instead of coming back for the 2 that might be expected, I go across horizontal, come down with that diagonal, and then go across again with that horizontal. I can also target different parts of the body. So maybe I target the hand with that 3, target the head with that horizontal, target the clavicle with that angle 1, and then the knees with that last horizontal. Same with the 4. Maybe I target the hand, or it comes up as an umbrella, or I target the hip with that angle 4, and then I go horizontal to the head, angle 2 to the clavicle, and then again I hit the legs with that horizontal. So I can really play around with it, and depending on how I want to play this, my footwork will change, how much I'm ranging, how much I'm entering, all of that will change. But there's so much to play around with just using this hourglass. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add, any questions, any comments, please do leave that in the comments down below. Please just subscribe to the channel. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. A huge thank you to everybody in our YouTube memberships and everybody on our Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you'd like to know more about the exclusive content that we offer on either of the pages, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.